Hello everyone, I just hope all of you are well and fine. If you are worried about your weight and struggling to lose it, then this video is very helpful and informative for you. Before start to watching the video, subscribe the channel and like the video and also hit on the bell icon to get the notification of more videos like this. Many people have certain special diet if they have some special objective in their mind. If your objective is weight loss, then today I will share with you some very special, satisfying ideas for breakfast, lunch, snack and dinner. I understand that making changes in your diet is challenging, but with the right mindset and some simple tips, you can achieve your weight loss goals. So let's get started with the morning drink. Begins your day with an apple cider vinegar. Just mix about 5 to 10 ml of apple cider vinegar with a glass of lukewarm water and drink it on an empty stomach. Drinking apple cider vinegar first in the morning with water can help you to burn fat faster. Then comes breakfast. Breakfast is very important for weight loss and having a protein food in breakfast is must. Eating breakfast with protein reduces appetite and hunger. It fills you up and you end up eating lesser calories. A protein-rich breakfast will also make you less likely to consume sugary foods later in the day. So make sure that your breakfast is rich in protein. There are plenty of ways to make it easier to fit breakfast into your day. 3 examples of satisfying meals in breakfast are: first is green gram beans paratha with curd. You may also add cumin seed powder or black pepper to this. Second is barnyard millet or porridge or oats upma with green peas. Third is beetroot with 60 gram boiled green grams with green peas or peanut and cashews. Next comes lunch. Make sure that your lunch is balanced with proteins, carbohydrates and other nutrients. Only eat as much as required so that you feel hungry after 4 hours. If you do not feel hungry after 4 hours, then you have overeating at lunchtime. Let this be an indication to control your size of meals. Your lunch needs to give you energy to stay focused and productive for the rest of the day, whether you are at office or work from home. A protein-packed lunch is a great way to keep you feel energized and alert throughout the afternoon. Here are 2 simple lunch plans that are high in protein. Plan 1. Eat 2 multigrain breads with 1 bowl or about 200 gram of any gourd vegetable like bottle gourd, red gourd, bitter gourd or lady's finger. Along with this, take a bowl of 30 gram of salad, which include chickpeas or green gram peas or black chickpeas. Also drink a glass of buttermilk. Plan 2. 1 bowl of carrot cucumber salad. Eat a cheese Spanish plow. This plow should have about 60 grams of rice, also have 50 grams of cheese and 100 grams of spinach. During snack time, drink 1 cup of green tea with something light like puffed rice. Make sure you don't eat more during this time. The ingredient of green tea helps to burn excess carbs and also speed up body's metabolism. And now we come to the last meal of the day, that is dinner. Helps your digestive system to function better by always including warm soups and vegetables in your dinner. Eating early soup-based dinner leads to weight loss or better sleep. It also improves bowel habits and reduces issues like bloating and acid reflux. I will give you 2 dinner plans that are light and delicious. Plan 1. Take 1 bowl of tomato basil soup, 100 grams of any vegetable, 60 grams of green gram beans and 1 bowl of cucumber carrot salad. Squeeze half a lemon into it. Plan 2. 1 bowl mixed vegetable clear soup. Take 60 gram rice pulao or 1 bowl of vegetable. Always remember, the key to weight loss is not just about what you eat, but also how you eat it. With these simple weight loss plans of breakfast, lunch, snack and dinner, you can start working on your weight loss goals in a healthy way. I just hope you liked the video and it will be very helpful for you in your weight loss journey.